Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Infographic. This video is very informative. Please watch complete video. The topic of this video is artificial intelligence in manufacturing. Infographic elements. Number 1. Title and introduction. Captivating title. Revolutionizing production. AI in manufacturing. Brief introduction highlighting the transformative impact of artificial intelligence (AI) in the manufacturing sector. Let's see the point number 2. AI powered robotics. Visual presentation of AI driven robotic arms and machines on the factory floor. Icons are graphics showing automation, processes, and precisions in manufacturing. Number 3. Predictive maintenance. Infographic detailing how AI predicts equipment failures and enables proactive maintenance. Icons representing sensors, predictive analytics, and maintenance alerts. Guys, let's see the point number 4. Quality control. Graphics showing AI algorithms inspecting and ensuring the quality of manufactured products. Icons for image recognition, defect detection, and quality assurance. Number 5. Supply chain optimization. Visual breakdown of AI optimizing the manufacturing supply chain. Icons for demand forecasting, inventory management, and logistics optimization. Let's see the point number 6. Smart manufacturing platforms. Diagram illustrating the integration of AI into smart manufacturing platforms. Icons for data connectivity, real-time monitoring, and process optimization. Now is point number 7. AI assisted design. Infographic depicting how AI aids in product design and engineering processes. Icons for generative design, simulation, and rapid prototyping. Now is point number 8. Energy efficiency. Graphics showcasing AI's role in optimizing energy consumption in manufacturing. Icons for energy monitoring, efficiency analytics, and sustainable practices. Let's see the point number 9. Human AI collaboration. Visual representation of workers collaborating with AI systems on the factory floor. Icons for augmented reality interfaces, AI-driven insights, and collaborative robotics. Now the last point, point number 10. Data security in manufacturing. Section illustrating how AI enhances data security in manufacturing processes. Graphics for cyber security measures, encryption, and secure data storage. Design the infographic with a balance of icons, graphics, and concise text to effectively convey how AI is transforming the manufacturing industry. Use color coding, a logical flow, and visually appealing design elements to take the information accessible and engaging for a technical audience. Thanks for watching.